Is your gas-powered lawnmower driving you crazy? Is your plug-in electric mower taking you for a ride? Leave the trouble behind with the Stihl RMA 510 cordless battery-powered lawnmower. The RMA 510 gives homeowners the performance of a gasoline-powered mower without any of the hassles. Enjoy instant starting, less noise, zero gasoline costs and zero exhaust emissions. It features a 21-inch mowing deck, so you can cover more lawn faster than previous models with power and performance comparable to its gas-powered counterparts. The Stihl RMA 510 is a convenient and powerful alternative for the suburban homeowner who is looking for something more sensible and less cumbersome than their current mower. So ditch that clunky old waste of space and come on down to Action Sports and Power Equipment, where you can upgrade to a more reliable and less troublesome machine that better suits your lawn care needs.